Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to put money on your Credit Karma card in 2025. If you're using Credit Karma to manage your finances, loading funds onto your card can help you track spending, build credit, or just handle everyday expenses more efficiently. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Credit Karma app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it, it's free. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your credentials. For security, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Now, navigate to the Cards or Wallet section. This is usually found on the main dashboard. Just tap the icon that looks like a card. Here, you'll see your Credit Karma card details. Look for an option that says, Add Funds, Load Money, or something similar. It's designed to be intuitive. Next, select your funding source. In 2025, Credit Karma offers seamless integrations with major banks, debit cards, or even direct deposits. Choose the one that's most convenient for you, like linking your checking account. Enter the amount you want to add, start small if you're new to this, and double-check for any fees. Pro tip: keep an eye out for promotions that might waive fees for the first few loads. After that, review the transaction details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, source, and estimated processing time, which is often instant or within a few minutes. Hit Confirm, and you're good to go. You'll get a notification once the funds are loaded, so you can start using your card right away. Remember, always monitor your account for any unauthorized activity and reach out to Credit Karma support if you run into issues. That's it for this quick guide. Adding money to your Credit Karma card is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.